Good afternoon, everyone. In last lecture, we have seen the addition and subtraction operations. Now, one thing, it is easier for us to perform the subtraction operation, or we can say that subtraction method in this way, while we are having pen and paper. That means with the help of borrow, and these rules, it is easier to perform the subtraction operation. But in computer but in computer, in its memory, this kind of operation doesn't take place. It is a complicated thing, and उसको नहीं पता बोरो क्या होता है and कैसे उसको further subtraction perform करना है when the summand is less than subtractand. So for that purpose, another method being used by computer is additive method of subtraction. That means subtraction is performed using the addition method. Subtraction is performed using addition method, and by doing so, this method, additive method of subtraction, or we can say that this additive approach is known as complement, MENT, complementary subtraction. Now, before understanding what is this complementary subtraction, let's see how to find the complement of a number. भी कैसे निकालेंगे तभी समझेंगे ना जब हमें पहला स्टेप पता होगा कॉम्प्लीमेंट का मीन क्या होता है, किसी भी नंबर का कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैसे निकालेंगे. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रूल नंबर 1, दैट इज़ किसी भी नंबर का, जिस भी नंबर का हमें कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालना है, वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम इट्स बेस टू द पावर n -1. सबसे पहले ये चीज़ करेंगे हम, एंड then we need to subtract our number and number. So the resultant, जो भी हमारा resultant आएगा A B C, that is our complement. ठीक है जी. सिंपल से एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. What's happening? Okay, now सिंपल से एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं इसे समझने के लिए. Like we need to find complement of 37. That means what? Its base is 10. So what we will write? 10 to the power n. N is what? Number of digits. कितने digits हैं हमारे नंबर के अंदर? 1 into to the power 2 minus 1 and minus number. Our number is what? 37. So what we'll do is 100 minus 1. This will go like this: 100 minus 1 minus 37, then 99. 100 minus 1 is 99 minus 37. What we get is 62 to the base 10. This is our answer, or what we can say that this is complement of 67. This is its complement. This is complement of 37. Okay, now let's see, as we discussed in our previous video, कि जो भी हम डेसिमल के साथ ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करेंगे, दैट ऑपरेशन हम बाइनरी के साथ भी करेंगे, बिकॉज वी नो दैट जो काम डेसिमल में होगा वो काम बाइनरी में डेफिनेटली होगा. सो अभी हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, हमने 37 टू द बेस 10, दैट मीन्स डेसिमल का हमने क्या किया, कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाला. सो नाउ अब हम बाइनरी नंबर का कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालेंगे. सो लेट्स हैव एन एग्जांपल. 10101 टू द बेस 2. इसका हमें क्या है, फाइंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट of this number. We need to find the complement of this number. So what we will do is, first of all we write the base, and then we need to write its power. Power में क्या आएगा, number of digits 1 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 digits, so we'll write 5. Minus 1 and then minus this number. 1 0 1 0 1. ठीक है जी. Okay. Now this number as per the rule. But we know that कि भाई अगर इस टाइप की सब्ट्रैक्शन में परफॉर्म करनी होती तो मैं डायरेक्ट कर लेते. ऐसे क्यों ही कर रहे हैं, कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्यों निकालते. सो इस नंबर को हम क्या करेंगे, दिस इज इन द बेस 2, वी विल कन्वर्ट दिस नंबर इनटू डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. सो दिस वैल्यू इज इक्वलेंट टू 31. So now putting the values, what we'll get is 2 raised to power 5, that is how much? Oh, sorry, this value is equivalent to 21. And now when we will solve this value will come equivalent to 31. ठीक है, to the base 10. इसी रीज़न से हमें इसको भी बेस 10 में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. 2 raised power 5 is what? 32 in our decimal number system. ठीक है जी, ये इसका बेस है 10 एंड बेस 10 में से वी कैन नॉट सब्ट्रैक्ट बेस 2. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज इसको हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे एंड देन इज आर -1. सो दिस इज 31 टू द बेस 10. इसको जब हमने कन्वर्ट करा सो दिस इज 21 to 1. It's the value 21. So now we will subtract 21 and now what we will get is 10 to the base 10. ठीक है जी. अब 10 को अब हमें वापस हमारा आंसर किस में चाहिए, हमको हमें क्वेश्चन किस में मिला था, बाइनरी फॉर्म में. सो आंसर भी हमें किस में चाहिए होगा, बाइनरी में ही. से जिस फॉर्म में हमें क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा सेम फॉर्म में ही हम आंसर देंगे. दिस इज़ द मस्ट कंडीशन. So 10 raised to base 10, we will convert this into the binary form. So what, this is the binary form and this is our answer. So now what we will say that complement of this number is this. Hope आप सबको आइडिया हो गया होगा कि भी कैसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालना है. What we'll do is we will use the formula base raised to power n minus 1 and then minus जो भी हमारा नंबर है, हमें क्या मिल जाएगा, कॉम्प्लीमेंट. वी हैव टू जस्ट यूज दिस फार्मूला बेस raised to power n minus 1 where n is number of digits. ठीक है जी, माइनस नंबर एंड व्हाट विल गेट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट. इस फार्मूले में हमें सिर्फ क्या है, अपना जो गिवन क्वेश्चन है उसको अप्लाई करना है एंड व्हाट विल गेट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट. नाउ वन मोर थिंग, सी व्हाट वी इन प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन 10101 हमने इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाला एंड व्हाट वी गेट आंसर इज 1010. दिस नाउ let me tell you one thing. In binary number system, have a look on this. In binary number system we have just two states, that is 0 and 1. इसके सिवा तीसरी स्टेट नहीं होती, सिर्फ दो ही स्टेट होती है. सो हम इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं, कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ 0 इज़ 1 एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ 1 इज़ 0. वी विल सिंपली पुट 1 in place of 0 and in place of 1 we will put 0. Now have a look over there. Here it is 1 and then 1 complement is what, 0. Then 0 complement of 0 is 1 because इसके सिवा हमारे पास कोई और स्टेट है ही नहीं. Now moving on further, 1's complement is 0, 0's complement is 1 and then again 1, its complement is 0. So this value is equivalent to this value. So in case of binary numbers we will write directly 0 in place of 1 and 1 in place of 0 when complement is asked. ठीक है जी. Now moving on further, additive method, first step is to find the complement. Find complement of number, and we have seen how to find the complement of number. Now next step for performing additive method, or we can say complementary subtraction, is that add complement add complement into an end, the upper digit. And then let's go for this second step, then we'll discuss what we have to do on the third step. Let's have an example. If I need to subtract 56 from, I need to submit 56 from 92. So first we will go for the complement. Complement किसका? Subtrahend का, ठीक है जी, यानी lower number का. So we will find the complement of 56. Now just we'll put the values in our formula, that is base raised to power number of digits minus 1 and then minus number, that is 10 raised to power 2 minus 1 and then minus number. We will get answer as 43. So complement of 56 is 43. Now in second step we have seen that we have to do, that is addition of complement into the minute. So we have to add this number into the upper number. Minute is what? Upper number. So now we will perform addition and we will get 135 as answer. Now moving on to the third step, if we get a carry in the sense कि यहाँ पे हमने दो नंबर्स पे ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म किया एंड हमें दो से ज़्यादा नंबर्स मिल रहे, दैट इज़ 3 नंबर्स मिल रहे. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल ऐड दिस नंबर को नीचे लेके आएंगे, विल ऐड दिस इनटू दिस एंड नाउ एडिंग दिस 1 into the number will get 36 to the base 10. Now this is our answer. Now if we get carry, add it back to number itself, else recomplement it and put a negative sign. That means if we won't get 1 over here, instead we get just 35. Let's example, we just after adding we got 35 only. Instead of 135 we got 35. So what we will do is we will recomplement it. That means again 10 raised to the power 2 minus 1 minus 35, that is 99 minus 35, that is 64, and we will put a what? Negative sign. So minus like this. So minus 64 to the base 10 is our answer, in case if we don't get any carry over here. Hope additive method of subtraction, or we can say complementary subtraction, is clear to everyone. In this way subtraction took place in our system, or we can say that in our computer memory. Now moving on further, our next operation is multiplication. Same process, same scenarios, and same rules as we have in our decimal number system. If 0 is if 0 is multiplied with 0, we will get 0. If 1 is multiplied with 0, we will again get 0. If 0 is multiplied with 1, we will again get 0. And if 1 is multiplied with 1, then we will get 1. So we'll apply these rules, we will use these rules and perform multiplication operation whenever needed or required. Now let's have an example. If we need to multiply 101 with 10, so this is 5 and this is 2 in decimal number, and multiplying that, performing multiplication, we get 10 as an answer in decimal number system. Let's see how multiplication is performed in binary number system. 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, and then 0 into 1 is 0. And something Anything into 0 will get 0. Now 1 cross 1 is 1, 1 cross 0 is 0, 1 cross 1 is 1. Now 0, now adding them up, 0, 1, 0, 1. And this is the value of 10 in binary number system. So I think now you have got a proper idea how to that all the operations that we are performing using our decimal number system are easily performed with binary number system also. Okay, now let me just tell you one thing about addition. One rule, or you can say that addition. Okay, one important point we just left out in our previous video is that if we are adding 3 times 1s, see, we discussed the scenario of adding 2 times 1. When we add 2 times 1, what we get is answer is 0 with carry 1. But in case when we need to add it 3 times 1, over here what we will do is, what our answer will be 1, our answer will be 1 with carry 1. Now how is this possible? Now if we add, now let's have an example like this. Now adding these two, what we will have, answer 0 and carry will remain our 1. Now what we will add, we will add this 0 and this one. 0 1 is 1, and this is our carry. This was our carry earlier of these two additions. Now this will come down as it is, and this is our answer. So whenever this kind of scenario happens, means we need to add multiple times 1, we will perform addition by pair method. By pair method in the sense, first of all we will add first 2 ones, and then further we will add further ones. It may be 2, 3, 4, 5 till n. Like for example, if we need to add 4 times 1s, now what we will do over here is, first of all we will add these two. 1 plus 1 is what? 0, and then carry goes 1. Now we will add these two ones. 1 plus 1 is what? 0, and then again carry goes once. And 0 plus 0, now we will perform the addition operation over here is, 0 plus 0 is what? 0, and our carry was what? 1 plus 1 again is 0, and then carry, and then this carry will go like this, and this is our answer. And if we need to add 5 times 1s, so what we'll do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to perform addition operation on 5 times 1s. What we'll do is, we will add these two, 0, 1, then these two, 0, 1, 0, 1, and this is what? 0, 0 and 1. What we'll get is 1 only. Now this is what? 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1 carry and 1. This is our answer. Hope this much is clear to you. Do practice of the questions, and the concept will be more clear to you. And let's meet in the next class for our division operation. Thank you and have a nice day.